Hi folks, Dr. Sinatra here. I'm in sunny Florida. I'm in my neighbor's Joe's garden, and we're going to use a lot of his produce here to make chicken soup. Why? Because the flu is in its ravages right now. My daughter has it. Grandchildren have it. My office staff have it. So here I am in the garden. I brought some of my chicken and, other vegetables. But right now, look at this. This is an incredible pepper, all right? Which is really good. Celery. I'm going to throw this in the soup. Oh, man, look at this beautiful celery. This is great. And this all brings medicinal value. Now I'm going to look and get some pea pods. And here's, let's see. Okay. Here's a pea pod here. There's tomatoes over here. Over there is string beans. Hey, folks, fresh produce in the garden doesn't get better than that. And now I'm going to show you part 2, which is really cooking a chicken soup. Now, why chicken soup? Well, I learned from an old doctor and a researcher from antiquity that one of the best ways of combating flu-like illness, asthma, mucus secretions in the lungs, is with chicken soup. So what I've done here is I brought over a pot, and inside the pot I got some fresh vegetables, but I want to show you this nice organic chicken. Okay, this is an organic chicken. And now I'm going to slice up a ton of garlic right into the broth, put some water in here, and use some onions. I'm going to chop up onions and garlic because why? Garlic has allicin in it, which is an incredible antimicrobial. Onions have quercetin. Quercetin is phenomenal for immune system support. And now, additionally, I'm going to add the cauliflower, cilantro, broccoli, hot peppers, which are amazing. Add all this stuff to the soup. Add a little bit of my Bravana olive oil, which is a secret sauce of the Mediterranean diet. And now you have the perfect remedy to combat the flu. You got phytonutrients, you got collagen, you got garlic and onions, you got so many good things which are really medicinal. Folks, I got some more stuff to put in the chicken soup. First of all, this is turmeric. Oh, this is awesome. Not only for your immune system, but the brain as well. In addition, I just picked these beautiful onions with this great quercetin. And got some beta-carotene in the carrots. This is great stuff too. Here's some pea pods. So all of this stuff is going to go into the soup with the cauliflower and the broccoli and the cilantro and the celery and the capsaicin and peppers. I can even throw a little basil in there. This is going to be the medicinal soup of all time, folks. A great combatant for the flu. From my heart to yours, I'm Dr. Steve Sinatra.